Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by launching Word and Excel together so files move smoothly between apps. Open your templates or a blank document, and in Excel create a workbook. This saves repeated setup. Once done, enable autosave and link to OneDrive. Make sure to choose sensible default folders to avoid lost files. You want the environment ready, consistent fonts in Word, matching cell styles in Excel. This initial alignment prevents format mismatches when copying tables or embedding spreadsheets later. You now build the content and connect it. Start in Excel, clean data, apply formats, and create named ranges or pivot tables so your numbers are reliable. Then copy the range, and in Word use paste special with link to keep data live. Once linked, updates flow both ways, so change a figure in Excel and Word reflects it. Also apply word styles for headings and captions to keep automated numbering and table of contents working properly. Finish by reviewing layout and updating links. You must go to File, Info, and Edit links to confirm everything points to the right workbook. Once done, export to PDF for distribution and inspect pagination and embedded object scaling so tables don't overflow. If links break on another computer, relink the Excel source or embed a static copy to preserve appearance. One key troubleshooting tip: if updates stop, reopen both files in the same.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.